I'm going to review about Matanui. And this is Matanui's canister. As I have Matanui. Matanui has a big blade sword and the Matanui mask. And he has this big blade on his arm. He has this big bikini. And then he has the life counter. And he has the feet from Squall. He has these knee pads from Akar. And he has this from Nika. No. And you see, there's the shooter thing, but I don't have it yet. And on the back, there's all the others, and the movie is now over here. It's now open, and bye.